Hey, Michael Tebow here with this week's edition of Mike's Marketing Minutes. Done for you marketing systems. Thanks so much for stopping by this week. And again, I'm very fortunate because I have the opportunity to talk to hundreds of restaurant owners, auto repair shop and business retail owners throughout the United States and Canada each week and talk to them about what they're doing to reopen their businesses and bring customers back. And I know it is not easy what you're going through right now. Basically everybody's had to reconfigure and change the way they do business, and it's not easy. I understand that, but we have to start working towards, some type of re-engagement with our customers. And what I'm hearing that a lot of business owners are doing, I think it's very smart, is they're going back to print marketing. Which is a great media to be able to reach your customers, especially now. One of my marketing mentors, Dan Kennedy, would always say, find out what everybody is doing and then do the complete opposite. So a lot of business owners right now are strictly doing Facebook, which is great. You don't want to stop doing Facebook, but the mailbox, there's hardly any competition in the mailbox right now. And so your customers are looking at their mail because there's not so many different pieces and marketing pieces for them to look at. And they're all at home. So, it's a perfect time to reach them and let them know that, hey, your business is still open. Please come back, and maybe an incentive to get them back into your business, be it a restaurant, auto repair shop, retail, whatever business that you have. So, a media for reaching your customers and communicating that you're back open, be it you opened your dining room, you opened your retail shop, your auto repair shop, to let them know is print mail. So, embrace that and try something different if you haven't tried print before, and test. You don't have to send a lot. Send out 250 to 300 pieces and see what type of response you get. So that's your tip for this week. Try something different, try print media. And as always, if you need help, you can click the button below and we can jump on a quick call for a free strategy session and tell you what we see our clients are doing that's really working for them using print, using review sites, your Google business listing, Facebook, whatever the case may be. Thanks so much for stopping by. Good luck, and I hope things are well.